There is no trust in translation, no truth in translation, no right for reliability in translation. There is only dilution. Metal breathes, swells. They cannot keep a hold of each other even as they live and die. Every bit of their surface area pressed, flattened, functional and unvaried. Light burns more than heat. They stay in the shades, even with the sun hidden behind transparent clouds. They streak across the sky half-heartedly. Still, the sun glides along with them, west to east, east to west, east to west. In the far corner of the blue page, the silver moon struggles against the burn. A burn they understand. And then it deflates. Like an omni-horn, preparing to unload and feel the lightness of after. Everything works. Did you know that the Shinkansen bullet train is inspired by the Kingfisher? Her body grows hot, red, straining, even though it shouldn't do that. It feels like there isn't any capacity for that. There is no escape, no shortcut, no triumphant skipping an unsuspecting line. She must wait it out. Ice sinks into flame. No, ice melts into a puddle around a hissing coal. The water always wins. Contorted feet, contorted bodies, contorted limbs. A foundation of lies and misconceptions that are ubiquitous truths. A cycle. Truths, farce, fallacy, truth again. A cognitive dissonance. A cognitive dissonance on the stem of phenomenon, on the level of the dancing plague. Except we cannot dance apparently, contorted as we are indeed.